Hey y'all, and welcome to Angel Dragons Lauded. I'm so excited to be sharing some of my favorite design tips with you today. There's just something so special about transforming a house into a home, a place filled with warmth, personality, and those little touches that make it uniquely yours. Whether you're moving into a brand new space or just wanting to refresh your current home, we're here to guide you every step of the way. We believe that everyone deserves a beautifully designed home, and it doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. Today, we'll walk through 5 essential tips that can elevate your home decor and help you achieve that effortlessly chic look we all love. So grab a glass of sweet tea, get comfy, and let's dive right in. When it comes to creating a timeless and elegant space, you just can't go wrong with a neutral color palette. Now, I know what you might be thinking, neutrals. Won't that be boring? But trust me on this one, y'all. Think of your walls, floors, and large furniture pieces as your blank canvas. Neutrals like soft grays, warm creams, and classic whites create a sense of calm and sophistication, setting the stage for all the beautiful accents and textures you'll layer on top. Plus, a neutral backdrop allows for so much flexibility in the long run. You can easily switch up your accessories, artwork, and even furniture pieces without clashing with your base colors. Imagine how easily you can transition your home decor from season to season just by swapping out throw pillows or adding pops of color with fresh flowers. That's the beauty of working with a neutral foundation. Don't be afraid to play with different shades and undertones within your chosen neutral palette. For instance, layering creamy whites with warmer beiges or incorporating cool grays with charcoal accents can add depth and dimension to a room, preventing it from feeling flat or one-dimensional. Remember, a neutral palette doesn't mean your space has to be devoid of personality. Think of it as a way to highlight the unique textures, patterns, and statement pieces you'll bring into your home. Alright, now that we have our beautiful neutral canvas, let's talk about how to really bring it to life with texture. This is where the magic truly happens, y'all. Think about your favorite cozy sweater. Chances are, it's not just the color you love, but the way it feels against your skin. The same goes for your home decor. Incorporating different textures adds depth, warmth, and visual interest to a room, creating a sense of inviting comfort that makes you want to kick off your shoes and stay a while. There are so many wonderful ways to bring texture into your space. Start by mixing and matching different materials in your furniture and decor. For instance, pair a sleek marble coffee table with plush velvet armchairs or a rustic wooden dining table with woven rattan chairs. Don't forget about textiles. Throw pillows, blankets, rugs, and curtains are like instant bursts of texture and personality. Think chunky knit throws draped over a leather sofa, a plush shag rug layered over hardwood floors, or linen curtains softening a window with natural light streaming through. Look for opportunities to incorporate natural elements as well. A woven basket filled with firewood, a collection of smooth stones on a coffee table, or a vase overflowing with fresh greenery can instantly bring a sense of the outdoors in. Remember, the key is to create balance and harmony with your textures. You want your space to feel collected and interesting, not chaotic or overwhelming. Start small and gradually incorporate more textures as you become comfortable with the process. Every well-designed room needs a focal point, a piece that draws the eye and sets the tone for the entire space. Think of it as the star of the show, the element that instantly captures your attention when you walk into the room. Now, a statement piece can be anything that speaks to your heart and reflects your personal style. It could be a stunning piece of artwork that you absolutely adore, a vintage rug passed down through generations, or a bold piece of furniture that makes a dramatic statement. The key is to choose something that you truly love, something that brings you joy every time you look at it. Don't be afraid to go big and bold here. A statement piece is meant to stand out and make a lasting impression. Once you've chosen your focal point, arrange your furniture and decor around it to create a sense of flow and balance. For example, if you have a beautiful fireplace, arrange your seating area to face it, creating a cozy and inviting gathering spot. If your statement piece is a large piece of artwork, hang it at eye level on a prominent wall and let it guide the placement of other decor elements. You can even use your statement piece to inspire your color palette or overall design theme for the room. Remember, a statement piece is a reflection of your unique personality and style, so don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with it. Y'all, never underestimate the power of good lighting. It can truly make or break a space. The right lighting can transform a room from drab to fab, highlighting your beautiful decor and creating a warm and inviting ambiance. When it comes to lighting, it's all about creating a layered and balanced approach. Start by maximizing natural light as much as possible. Open up those curtains, trim any overgrown landscaping that might be blocking windows, and consider adding mirrors to reflect light throughout the room. Next, incorporate a mix of artificial light sources to create depth and dimension. Overhead lighting is essential for general illumination, but don't stop there. Table lamps, floor lamps, and even sconces can add a soft, diffused glow, creating a cozy and intimate atmosphere. Think about the mood you want to create in each room. For example, in the living room, you might opt for a combination of ambient lighting from overhead fixtures and table lamps, along with task lighting from a reading lamp next to a comfy armchair. In the dining room, a statement chandelier can create a dramatic focal point, while dimmer switches allow you to adjust the mood for intimate dinners or lively gatherings. And don't forget about candles. They add a touch of magic and romance to any space, casting a warm and inviting glow. Scatter them throughout your home, grouping them together for added impact. All right, we've covered the foundational elements of design, but now it's time for the most important part, adding those special touches that truly make your house a home. This is where your personality shines through, y'all. Think about the things you love, the memories you've made, and the stories you want to tell within your space. Incorporate items that spark joy and conversation, whether it's a collection of vintage cameras displayed on a shelf, family photos scattered throughout the house, or travel souvenirs that transport you back to special moments. Don't be afraid to mix and match different styles and eras. A gallery wall filled with a curated collection of artwork, photographs, and treasured objects tells a story and adds a touch of whimsy to your space. Incorporate natural elements like plants, flowers, and even branches to bring a sense of the outdoors in. Not only do they add life and vibrancy to your home, but they also purify the air and create a sense of tranquility. Create cozy nooks and inviting spaces where you can relax and unwind. A comfy armchair paired with a side table and a good reading lamp creates the perfect spot to curl up with a good book. Remember, your home is a reflection of you, so embrace your unique style and don't be afraid to experiment. The most important thing is to create a space that you love coming home to, a place that feels warm, welcoming, and filled with heart. Thank y'all so much for joining me today. I hope these tips from Angel Dragons Luanid inspire you to create a home that reflects your unique style and brings you joy for years to come. Remember, designing your dream home is a journey, not a race. Take your time, have fun with the process, and don't be afraid to experiment. The most important thing is to create a space that feels authentically you, a place where you can relax, recharge, and make lasting memories. Now go out there and create something beautiful. And don't forget to check back for more design inspiration and tips from Angel Dragons Limited. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips from Angel Dragons Limited help you create a beautifully designed home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home decor tips.